We'll start with a single board. Instead of adding every piece manually, you can just tap Duplicate Many to quickly build out the seat of this bench. It's all on a 3D isometric grid, so you get a sense of the scale right away on your phone. Next, we'll bring in the structural supports, 4 posts for the legs. You can snap them directly to the corners of your slats to see exactly how the assembly comes together. Moving over to the iPad, that extra screen real estate lets you keep your lumber list open while you work. The app tracks every piece you add in real time, giving you both the nominal name and the actual dimensions in inches and millimeters. It's basically building your shop cut list while you design. If the parts start to overlap, you can use the layering tools to move pieces forward or backward in the stack. This helps you visualize exactly how the joints should look before you ever make a cut. Whether you're quickly sketching an idea on your phone or refining the final details on your Mac, the workflow stays consistent. It's a straightforward visual way to plan your projects and stay organized.